Now you want to go to the next cuddling party. You want to cuddle with strangers. Strangers. Like, why don't you date and talk to people and get to know them? And then when you get to know that man or woman, right, and y'all are friends and, you know, y'all are attracted to each other and y'all make a determination to be in a relationship, you could cuddle all you want. You could cuddle all day, cuddle all night, morning, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and breakfast. But why are you going to cuddle with somebody you don't know if they're a serial killer, if they're going to put a Mickey in your drink later? You don't know, like, you might as well go to a Diddy party. Like, what are you thinking about? But hey, this is just my opinion. See, I talk to you as if I'm talking to my son or my daughter, right? This is what I would want for them. This is how I would talk to them. Maybe some of your parents never talked to you like this, but I care about you. Even though I don't know you, I care about young people. I care about people, right? And I'm just a protective father, husband type. All right, Sirius, all right? So old school, all right? So that too, like speed dating, what y'all doing? Y'all getting to know each other in 3 minutes. Oh, and they say it's really based on attraction. Oh, he's fine, I'll take him. Like, I'll take her, woo. And then you find out the person crazy, person a narcissist or something like, a serial whatever, a drug addict, a drug dealer. You don't even know who you're dealing with, right? But to each his own. I'm just giving my point of view, POV, my point of view on dating. I really feel you need to meet someone. There's people everywhere, right? You just go where there's people that especially like the same things you like, right? If they like clothes, you go shopping. If they like museums, you go to the museum. If they like the beach, you go to the beach. You go to a regular, nice, upscale, nice nightclub, right? Unless you want to go to a ratchet one because you want to beat ratchet people. I don't advise that. You go to a nice, upscale nightclub, restaurant, bar, whatever, if that's your thing, you know. But just go somewhere where there's some good people, cook out, you know what I mean? Poetry club, jazz club, comedy club. You will meet people everywhere you go, and you just wait for it. Like in basketball, they say, let the game come to you. Don't be out there looking desperate. I think speed dating and cuddle parties, you're desperate. You look desperate. You're giving off desperate vibes, and somebody's going to take advantage of you or disrespect you. Or that's just what I think. All right? I'm just letting you know. That's my antennas go up. All right? Because I wouldn't let no young person in my family do that if I knew about it, all right? Y'all old people, I know what's up with y'all, yeah? Now, y'all the ones going to take advantage of people. I get it. All right, so, yeah, like, yo, be careful. Y'all got to put a little old school in your life. What I mean is talk, call on the phone. You still could FaceTime. You could talk, you could chat, but y'all need to really talk. FaceTime, take a walk in the park, you know what I'm saying? Go to a coffee shop or something, sit down and talk and get to know each other before y'all start exchanging skin and fluids and drama and bad karma. Let's do it right. I know this world is moving fast and all these new trends and things keep coming, but you got to be able to hold on to some kind of dignity and conviction that, yo, I'm somebody. My house is my temple. This is my body. My body is holy. It's sacred. You can't be out here just, oh, let's go do that. Let's go do that too. You don't know what you're getting into. You don't know if you're getting into something satanic. You don't know what you're getting into. So be careful out there. All right. All right, I said enough on that. Cuddle. Cuddle with your partner, like that you've known, okay? All right. Kamal Imani, like, share, subscribe, SiriusRelationships, YouTube. Peace.